What up, y'all? Welcome to Volume 2 of my tequila series. Let's get right into it with the first drink. So this first one is going to be the Margarita. Of course, right? I can't do it. I didn't do it the last video. I can't do it without doing it this time. So let's get right into it with the Margarita. The one thing about the Margarita, if you don't have a salt rim, in my opinion, with your Margarita, it's not gonna fly. It's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. It's really simple. I'm gonna get a close-up shot, but bear with me. So all I have right here is salt and lemon and a glass. The coupe glass might work a little bit easier with this, but this is the only glass that I have. Margarita is supposed to be up. So let me just give you guys a quick tip. After you've been juicing your limes to put in your little squirt bottle, save what's left over. Because you're just gonna take that and you're gonna coat the outside of the rim of your glass so you can coat that with salt or sugar, whatever you wanna do, or a mixture of the both. It's all up to you. But I forgot to do that, obviously. So save yourself some trouble, kill two birds with one stone, and yeah, just get that nice and all over the rim. Now, just take the edge of your glass, don't crush too hard, just lightly coat it. That's all. Just lightly coat it, guys. Just like that. And it is that simple. It really is. It's nothing fancy. So now that you've got your salted rim out of the way, let's get into making the drink. All right, y'all, so this is just the bare bones Margarita. Bare bones stuff, 2.5 ounces of tequila. So I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces of lime juice. And then simply 1 ounce of orange liqueur. You can use anything you like. I'm using triple sec. Give it a quick shake, 10-15 seconds. Okay guys, so I'm gonna double strain this right into here. Just because all those ice shards really create a bad texture when you're drinking it. And that's it, guys. The bare bones Margarita. There's a lot that you can do to modify it, make it different, make it fun. I'm gonna make a whole Margarita video actually. This is just the bare bones stuff, just to show you what a Margarita really is. Lime juice, triple sec, tequila. That's it. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh. Man. Oh, that is so good. Man. That's how a Margarita should be. Hit you in the face. Not too hard. Just a little slap, you know, to let you know it's there. Shake it nice and hard as you can, 15 seconds. And double strain it into this, and that's a Margarita, guys. Let me know what you think. All right, y'all, so this one's gonna be good. It's called the Arizona Lemonade. And the Arizona Lemonade has 2 ounces of tequila, 2 ounces of your lemon juice, and the weird thing that the recipe calls for is 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. I'm not gonna do that. That sounds gross. I'm just gonna use simple syrup. I'm gonna use a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. That's really, we're gonna see how sweet it is. We're gonna see how sweet it is, so. Let's go. Got my shaker tin full of ice. Now I'm just gonna add that 2 ounces of simple syrup. Excuse me, 1/2 ounce, not 2 ounces. That would be really sweet. Right, 2 ounces lemon juice. It's gonna be very lemony. 2 ounces tequila. Shake it for 10 to 15 seconds. And I'm gonna keep the ice in there because I like ice in my lemonade. Cool. That's it, the Arizona lemonade. Let's give it a shot. Very refreshing. Wow. It could even have a little bit more sugar if you like it more sweet. I think this is just the perfect though. Just the perfect amount of sugar. Yeah, it's very tart. The tequila taste is coming through. Everything about it really stands out as a nice Arizona lemonade. That's what I picture if you had a lemonade in Arizona. But you can have it anywhere you want because everybody's got sugar, everybody's got tequila, everybody's got lemonade. Yeah, y'all give it a shot. Let me know. Let me know what you think. Okay, so you guys are like looking at this probably and are saying to yourself, is this guy serious? No, I'm not serious. I think that this is hilarious, but the name is even less serious and more hilarious. Alien Love Juice. Let's just make it real quick. An ounce of tequila. An ounce of blue Curaçao. Yeah, I was gonna try to layer it, but never mind. 1 ounce. There's actually a whole lot of cocktails with the alien thing going on. So I might do an alien video one day because I love aliens. Aliens and wizards. Awesome, just love them. And it calls for, to fill it up with orange energy drink. So, orange monster. It's called Ultra Sunrise. 0 sugar. And yeah, it looks orange, so I'm gonna fill her up. Yeah. Looks like alien love juice to me. Absolutely beautiful. Just gorgeous. Let's try it. No, I would never drink this, by the way. I'm just doing this for the video. Okay, Mom? Promise. It's cool. It's definitely neat. The floating of the blue Curaçao looks really cool. It's actually a really cool looking drink. I just wish it wasn't Monster Energy drink. Yeah. It's pretty funny. It's a good joke. Seriously, not my style with that Monster Energy drink, but hey, if you love Jaeger bombs and you want to take a ride on the wild side, try it. I don't think that you'll be able to order this anywhere, but try it at home if you like Jaeger bombs. And a Jaeger bomb is just a shot of Jägermeister dropped into Red Bull, for those people who, you know, are wondering about that. But yeah, I mean, the one person out there who wants to give this a shot, give it a shot. You might love it. Let's move on. All right, y'all. So this is a cool one, easy one, simple one. The Mexican Seabreeze. It's everything that you're seeing here now. That's it. 2 ounces of tequila. Damn, I've been spilling really bad today. So guys, the recipe then calls for equal parts of cranberry juice and grapefruit juice. In order to do that, I'm just gonna pour them in at the same time, just so I don't have to do any guesswork. And that's it, the Mexican Seabreeze. No need to stir it because I put it in there pretty rapidly, so let's give it a shot. Yeah, now that grapefruit juice is pretty strong. It overpowers the entire drink. If you absolutely love grapefruit, I recommend you do it just like that. But I would do probably a 2-to-1 ratio of the cran to the grapefruit. You know, But yeah, other than that, it's a pretty good drink. I love grapefruit, so it's right up my alley. It's really tart. Yeah, but yeah, the cranberry just really gets muddled down and you can't even taste the tequila. It's just all grapefruit juice. But it's definitely probably the simplest, easiest drink I've made so far. Just, you know, so okay. Next drink. Alrighty, so here's the last one for you. It's the Mexican Martini. Let's get right into it. Get your shaker tin full of ice, 3 ounces. Tequila. I'm excited for this one. And yes, it does call for a martini glass, but I don't have more than one. I'm working on it. You can chill any glass though. The rocks glass works. You know, it is what it is. 1/2 ounce triple sec. Oh, damn, that was an ounce. Oh well. It's gonna be really orangey. Then it just calls for a dash of OJ. And a dash of lime juice as well. You're gonna shake it. So I'm gonna double strain this guy again, just because I don't want any ice shards. Wow. Right to the top, huh? So you may be wondering why the Sprite is here. It's an optional thing to top it with the lemon lime soda. Don't have any room. Let's just see how it is. It's not really impressive. I mean, I don't know, it could be a little bit more sweet. Maybe some more lime juice. I'd go for an ounce of lime juice. Oh, maybe 1/2 ounce. But yeah, it's pretty good. That might be where the Sprite comes in handy though. Let's see what the Sprite does. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Add the Sprite. Yeah, add the Sprite. All right, that's all she wrote. Listen, if you guys really liked the video, honestly, give me a like. You have no idea how much it helps the channel promote, suggest videos to other people who are looking for similar videos. It really helps. Likes matter, and if you really want to help me out, please give me a like. I'm here, I'm begging. No, I mean I am begging, but honestly, seriously, give me a subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a comment, let me know what you think I should do next. Definitely probably going to do another tequila video after this, Tequila Volume 3. But yeah guys, I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys have for suggestions, comments on the drinks, anything that comes to your mind. Give me a comment. Seriously, I read them all. You can see, I heart them, I like them, I respond, and I'm here. I'm always on my phone. So seriously, yeah, so that's gonna wrap it up. You know, enjoy the outro. I'm working hard on the editing. And yeah, so that's it. That's all. And you know, I'm out of here. 4 Man's Drinks is out of here. Enjoy. And you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, evening, night. Have a good one, and I really hope that you, Oh, check out my Instagram. I posted my Instagram a little bit here and there just to promote my videos, but as soon as, you know, I get some interaction on there, I post drinks. I can, you know, do whatever people do on Instagram. I really don't actually use social media. I'm trying to get back into it a little bit. But yeah, you guys let me know. This has been a long enough outro. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. And have a good one, guys. Bye. But seriously, yeah, until next time, guys, have a good one. Stay safe.